Junrida.
Red, just tell me if okay na.
Guys, okay na yan.
Pasay pa yun.
Basahin pa ba nga da? Over? Feel nga magpabigat sa floor wax.
I feel exhausted. Thank you.
Tabang sila na. Wigil, tabang kayo.
How so?
Tagilog ko ng panik na.
Huwag ganahin pag-ailong ka na kontra mo, pakyo.
Ikaw,
It's cool.
what did you do? What's the feeling?
I don't feel any pressure right now.
A floor waxer is both an honor.
How do you feel? How do you feel after the floor waxing?
na ay.
Yeah. It's like a mirror.
Wow, it's reflecting.
Yeah. Janelle! Wow. One of the boys, your... Eman! Eman! Oo. Sino si Chan mo? Sino yung role nga to? Sino yung pangan? Ay, Chan mo? Si Liminho, ano yung pangan? Si Go Junpyo. Sa Junpyo. Feeling nga nagpabigat ka. Ay, yung sabi ni Sen.
Feeling good. Like,
Nga gatlampaso ka. Ay, gaperwak ka ba ya? Ay, tat naglampaso ka.
hawak ko siya. Nakita ko to.
Yeah. Feel.
I feel very uneasy because I always
No.
floor walking.
If you were to choose floor waxing or learning in the school, Yeah. another round or over? You were to choose. Is it you or is it me?
Choose is both a responsibility.